gonna be jealous of this one. That's for sure.
All right, everybody. I'm getting tired. I've had a really bad morning. This is about our 10th spot we tried. First spot was way too windy on a lake that we love. Second one, too many people fishing it. Third one, there was just no sign of life whatsoever. This is our 4th spot. And yeah, but my reel broke. No, this is our 5th spot because we went to another one where we didn't see anything either. My reel broke at that one. My Shimano Casitas after 2 months of having it, so that's awesome. So now we're again at spot 5, and we're gonna see if we can actually catch some. That's a big one, dude.
You might want to go back and grab something.
Oh, that's a is it spawning? There she is. All right, there's a fish spawner right here. I'm about to try to catch it. It's been pretty. It saw that, so. Oh my goodness. Can't get it together, guys. Got him.
Pretty good.
About time. This took like freaking 30 minutes to catch this fish, guys. Check her out. Big mama that was on the bed. Finally caught her. Finally. Here she is, everybody. Ready? There she goes, off to her bed. Get off. Oh. Spit it right there. What a piece of junk. Oh, that was first catch of the day, guys, and I lost it. You jerk. I was gonna cast right here. There's a goose over there on a nest, right where on the rocks. You good? I'll cast on this way. See if I can avoid that. Biggest one of the day.
Huh?
Biggest one of the day.
Oh, I thought that was an actual fish. I thought that was a catfish.
Dude, there's catfish in here.
I got one. Ain't a bad one either.
Guys, there's number 2. Ain't a bad one either, honestly. Isn't a bad one. He's an ugly one. Pretty torn up. Looks like he got in a fight, but it's pretty nice. Ain't bad at all. Go ahead and put her back. That's the same one from before, man.
It's the biggest one of the day right here, boys. Look at this little guy. Colton's gonna be jealous of this one. That's for sure. Let's get a good look on this. Can we get a close up? Oh. That's I could use that as a bait fish. Like I could put that on a hook and catch something here.
Number 3, folks. Number 3. I worked for another about 20 minutes on this one. Another bed and bass, little female. But it's number 3. Ain't too bad. She was sitting there just on her bed forever. I couldn't get her back in. I couldn't get her to bite, but I finally did. So here we go. I don't know how I'm gonna get her back in there. This is gonna be weird. All right, she's in. She's in. Oh, saw her. Okay. All right, we're good. Number 3, and a goose.
I tried to pull him up over that. I tried to pull him up over it.
Make that 4 bedding fish of the day. I feel bad for Brett. I actually caught, this is the one he lost. Sorry, Brett. But saw her again, had to cast on her. I caught her. She's a pretty one, but I'm gonna go ahead and let her go, get her back on her bed. She's had enough for the day. Whew! All right, guys. So, I mean, as you saw, this day, I mean, it kind of came back. I mean, after the rough morning. Huh?
Maybe for you.
Maybe for you. Yeah, I mean, this guy, he caught a.
It was a squeak. I mean,
yeah,
that thing.
He
might
caught
have been
a.
half a pound.
Yeah, finger one, you know. But you know, I caught 3 bedding fish, which I'm happy about. I mean, I might have fell over almost every one I caught, but hey, I caught them.
As y'all could probably tell, the wind was absolutely terrible today. I mean, I'm sure it's going to be a lot of wind noise in the video, and
yeah,
you can probably hear it right now. I also got the worst backlash I've ever had in my bait casting reel. I mean, I'm going to have to probably unspool the whole thing just to get it undone.
Yeah. So. That was pretty rough. But again, I mean, the weatherman said 15 miles an hour wind. This is like 30. It's crazy. It's been pretty rough. But again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment.
If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that for us.
And go ahead and pay the water.